Okay, we're going to continue on with this text today. And looking at this, I think I want to make a couple changes. First of all, I have a misspelled word here, so some of you pointed that out to me. I have no idea what that word is, but it should be intruder. And with that, I want to show you the spell check capabilities in Photoshop. Photoshop's not a word processor like Microsoft Word, so it doesn't do an automatic spell check, so you have to be really careful with spelling. But it does have a spell checker, and it's not as good as Microsoft Word, but you can try it. So if you go to Edit and you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice it does have check spelling. So let's click on that. And here it's found this word that is supposed to be intruder. Okay, and it's giving me suggestions. So you have to look at these carefully, find the right word, and then go ahead and click change or change all. Since I only have one, I'm going to go ahead and just change. And now it pulled up with not in dictionary parents.com, and it's suggesting to change it to compartment. You have to be really careful, so make sure you're looking at this and just say ignore all. And then it's telling you it's complete. Okay, so just be really careful that you're not clicking too quickly and changing something that you actually want to keep on that. So use it, but use it cautiously. All right. Otherwise, just check all your words and go ahead and manually fix anything. Also, when I did make that change, it took my exclamation point away, so you have to watch for things like that. So it's not quite as smart as Microsoft Word when it comes to that, but you might find that it's helpful. Okay, so let me just get back in here, add my exclamation point. Okay, all right, now that I'm comparing my magazine to my sample magazine, I kind of want to pull this green in because we've got some green here and some green here. And I think that that will look really nice. I think I'm just too pink and blue over here. And also he does have some green in his sweater that will tie in with that green. So I'll probably grab the green from his sweater. So I'm going to work on that, continue adding in some of my titles, and I will speed up through that part. Okay, and just a word about this. I added a drop shadow to this, and at one point you'll notice I made the size and the distance in the spread really big, and I did that just so I could see which direction it was. I wanted it to drop down to the lower right, and it was really hard for me to see that without making it bigger. But again, just like with the stroke that we have down here, you want to make this, if you're going to do it, really subtle. It shouldn't be something that's really obvious. And if you look at my example magazine, it also has a very subtle drop shadow, and that's why I decided to add it on right there. Okay, I'm going to make this outline, this rectangle right here, and I'm using the shape tool. I'm putting it on no fill and a black stroke. Okay, and that stroke is kind of small, so I'm going to increase it a little bit, make it a little bit stronger. Okay, that's going to be it for today. So I'm just continuing to make adjustments, check my spelling, change color, add fonts, add strokes and drop shadows as needed, and any special things like this outline around this rectangle right here. Next time I'm going to add something with an arrow like this, and then just check everything. I'll probably work on this, how to raise a color right there. It's a little bit lost in this area, I think. Everything else is looking really good. So I'm going to go ahead and save, and then I'll have one more day on this.